So, first circuit na gagawin natin, hindi lang turn on and turn off ng LED. This time naman, gusto natin mabago yung range of value niya. So, somehow, gagamit tayo dito ng analog signals. Pseudo-analog signals, technically. Now, katulad ng ginagawa dito. So, unti-unti nagliliwanag, tas unti-unti nagdidilim yung iyong LED. Kasi nakakasend siya ng range of values mula sa iyong Arduino. So, paano natin gagawin yan? Proceed tayo sa Tinkercad to simulate this circuit. Proceed tayo sa Tinkercad. There. So, gawa lang tayo ng panibago para mas ma-appreciate natin. Hintayin lang natin. Medyo loading ang ating internet. So, create new circuit. And then, so in this circuit, gagamit tayo ng LED. You can use resistor if you want. But for me, I will not use a resistor para mas madali. And then, you'll have your Arduino and your breadboard. Medyo mabagal. Yun. So, unang ginagawa natin is that we wire our power and ground rate. Wire natin. Palitan natin ang block kung gusto natin. Para mas magandang tignan, mas organized tignan. And then this one should be red. There. So it should look like that. And then your LED should be connected to the ground. And this one should be connected to any PWM pins of your Arduino. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa video lesson kanina. Kapag ang digital pin mo ay merong tilde sign, this one, and 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 that one, ibig sabihin PWM pin siya. In a sense, na digital pin siya, pero it can mimic the role of an analog pin. So, ibig sabihin, kaya niyang mamimik yung pagsesend ng analog signals. So, that's how your circuit will look like for this one. Just make sure that it is connected to the ground. Connect lang sa ground. So, that will be how your circuit will look like. Now, for the code should look like this. Void setup pa rin, void loop, hindi ko nabuburahin, pero burahin ko dito, nasa loob nila. First thing that you want to do is that you have to declare your variables. So, int LED 9. Take note that LED is not a constant. You can change it if you want. You can have their red, kasi kulay red yung LED mo. Pero for me, I will just have their LED. Next, you'll also have int brightness equals to 0. Ba't ko ito nilagay? Kasi the initial value na ibibigay natin sa circuit, papaganahin natin sa circuit, is 0. Magbabago, bago, yan, base sa gagawin nyo dito sa void loop. Next naman, int fade amount. So, ito yung madadagdag na value sa LED mo habang nagla-light up siya. So, unti-unti, madadagdagan siya ng 5 bytes to the point na mafu-full na siya up to 256 bytes. So, kapag 256 bytes na yung tinatanggap na yung LED din, yun na yung fullest amount ng brightness niya. So, unti-unti magbabago, tataas ng interval ng 5. Yan. So, you can also change this. Depende sa inyo. Next one, so that those are your variables. Next naman, of course, you have used a digital pin. So, lagay ka dyan ng pin mode and your LED will be an output. Yun. Yun lang. Tapos na yung setup mo. Next naman tayo sa yung void loop. Sa void loop mo, since you will be mimicking or you will be sending pseudo-analog signals to your LED from your Arduino, then gagamit tayo ng analog write function. And it is connected to the LED pin, and the value will be based on the brightness. Ayun. So this is for the pin, and this is the value. So the initial value is 0. Gusto natin tataas siya. So gagamit tayo ng arithmetic here. So arithmetic sa brightness is equals to brightness plus fade amount. Now, ang gagawin niya, unti-unti mag-send na siya or magtataas na yung kanya brightness. Pero gusto kasi natin mag-fade in and mag-fade out siya. Unti-unti. So we will use an if statement. Talagay tayo ng operator. Technically, logical operator ang tawag dito. So if brightness is less than or equals to 0, or brightness is greater than or equals to 255, yun, these are your condition. So dalawa yung condition mo, you are using a logical or operator. Brightness, the first condition, brightness is less than or equal to 0. Tapos yung isa pa, brightness is greater than or equal to 255. Take note, itong values na nilagay ko, this is, we can say na ito yung values na kayang tanggapin, the range of values that your LED can offer from 0 to 255. Parang bytes daw yung tawag yan, pero I am not sure how bytes work. Next naman, so that is the condition. After that, it should be followed by the command that you want to be executed after the condition is met. So, kapag na-reach niya yung 0, ang gagawin niya is that fade amount will start to subtract fade amount. Or mas madaling explain if we will use 255. So automatically, the initial value here is 0. Pero, ang arithmetic natin, dadagdagan siya ng 5, 5, 5 to the point that it will reach 255. Kapag na-reach niya na to, then this statement will be true and we will proceed here. So the fade amount now will be 255 minus 5. So, unti-unti naman, magdi-dim out na yung iyong LED. So, from 250, magiging 245, 230, or 230 agad. So, 240, 235, 230, until ma-0 siya. And that will be repeated. And, unti-unti, dapat ganito na yung itsura ng iyong, wait lang, may error tayo. Void loop, saan daw may error? Ayun. This one should end with a semicolon, and you need to make sure na nasa loob ng braces ang iyong command for after the if statement. Dapat tama na to. Yun. So, unti-unti magla-light up siya. Medyo magbagal lang. There. Sige, lagyan natin ng delay para mas makita natin yung kanyang effect. Delay 30 milliseconds. Followed by a semicolon. Yun. So, nagdidim in and out na, or nag-fade in and out na yung ating LED. Medyo hindi lang natin ma-appreciate na mas maganda kasi kapag sa tunay na buhay, kita mo talagang halos mag-light up na talaga fully yung iyong LED. Dito medyo onti lang yung pagbabago sa kulay ng LED natin. And there.